Hi, good morning, guys. My name is Saurabh Smar, and my student ID is 300999123, and I'm studying ITECH 3207, which is Contemporary Challenges of IT Managers. And this would be the third video of the project which I'm working on. And in this video, I would like to give you guys more information about the software failures, like what are the main reasons behind software failures in the IT industries, and what are the impact the software failure causes on the computers, on the systems, and on the working of the organization. Well, a software failure happens due to a software bug, which is a mistake, an error, a flaw, or a glitch in a computer program or a system that produces an incorrect or unexpected result or causes it to behave in unpredicted ways. Most errors arise from mistakes and and glitches made by people in either a program's source code or its design, and a few are caused by compilers producing incorrect code. A program that contains a large number of bugs that seriously interfere with its functionality is said to be buggy. Reports detailing bugs in a program are known as bug reports, fault reports, problem reports, trouble reports, change requests, and so forth. And in order to deal with these reports and all those bugs, we use troubleshooting procedures, which is based on different systems. So different systems have their own different troubleshooting methods and procedures. Software failures are costing companies and consumers large amount of money because this is a very crucial part of a for a software company. For example, Domino's Pizza, they have their own pizza delivery system, which is works on an online system. If one of their software fails, it will be a loss of maybe $100,000 for them for in a day. So they won't be able to make that business because of the software failure. So what is worse is that people are losing jobs and in some cases their liberty because of avoidable software failures. The main problem caused by software bugs is negative financial support impact, and almost every case, consumers end up losing out. Deficiencies in software quality often result in costly emergency fixes and damage to a brand's reputation. They lead to they lead to piles of wasted money and effort, heaps of charges and blames. There are so many studies attempting to quantify the cost of software failures. They don't agree on percentages, but they generally agree that the number is at least 50 to 80 billion dollar range annually. So SQS Software Quality Systems compiled a list of worst software failures of 2011 and that have damaged reputations, impacted negatively on financials, caused stress to users. For example, a Japanese car company was forced to initiate a worldwide recall of over 1 million vehicles affected by a design flaw allowing residue from window cleaners to store, which can damage the switch's electrical contacts and potentially cause a fire over time. This recall followed by a global 2.5 million recall by the same company due to design flaws that allowed vehicles to shift out of park and engine stalls. Why do so many IT projects fail? It is a fact of life that as many as 80 to 90% of IT projects run over budget or are terminated rashly, and even those that reach some sort of completion often fall short over meeting users' expectations and business performance. But each of software failure could easily have been avoided through an effective quality management strategy, identifying and resolving potential problems before they appear. How do you avoid failure in a software implementation project? The key is to have in place before you start the system specification phase a clearly defined and accurately documented set of business processes and procedures. If you have this, you will have a precise appreciation of business needs and expectations. This will enable you to see the way ahead. A fund basis for the development of the software specifications. This ensures that the software will come as close as possible to meeting the business needs sooner and ensure a smooth transition for the business. An ideal platform for continuous improvement of business processes, either during the implementation or after. An accurate outline of the project on which you can base your implementation plan and monitor in-project progress. A readily adaptable set of parameters on which to base system testing. A vastly improved appreciation of business needs and expectations against which you can measure the success of the project. Thank you very much guys for watching this video.